how to get high ticket clients on Instagram. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get high ticket clients on Instagram. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to get high ticket clients on Instagram, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Have a solid brand message. Define what you want your audience to think about when they see your content. Ensure your posts reflect the same message and build a cohesive picture of your brand. Step 2. Showcase success stories on your feed. Share before and after photos, testimonials, or client success stories. Highlight how your services or products have transformed clients' lives. Step 3. Follow up consistently with interested followers. Engage with people who interact with your posts by following up in the comments or DMs. Show potential clients that you can solve their problems before they even ask for a solution. Step 4. Create valuable niche content. Focus on creating relevant, helpful content that addresses specific problems of your target audience. Use tools like Google Trends or BuzzSumo to identify popular topics and keywords. Step 5. Upgrade your bio. Write an engaging and clear bio that reflects what your business offers. Make sure it invites visitors to explore your page further. Step 6. Pitch your offer only when they are ready. Engage with your audience and build trust before presenting your offer. Use DMs to understand their needs and offer solutions when the timing feels right. So that's how you can get high ticket clients on Instagram. That's all for this video.